Good evening, folks. We're going to do something special for you tonight. This is going to be a good night. This is something you might want to try. Celebratory dinner, perhaps. This is my infamous lobster tagliatelle with a delicious white sauce. I'll show you exactly all the ingredients needed to put together this incredibly delicious meal, fit for a king, I would say. So without any further ado, let's get this thing rolling. Wow, we've got 4 chicken lobsters. That's a lot of meat. Those are about 1.25 pounds a piece, and they're cooked up now for 12 minutes. We're ready to start the next step in this magnificent meal. We're going to take up about 8 cloves of garlic, and we're going to chop those up fine. Garlic is just, really makes this white sauce stand out special. And garlic's so healthy for you, you know. So I always like to use that in my daily regimen. Just about everything I cook, I use a lot of garlic. Just love it. And it's good for your ticker, and it's great on the taste. So we chop that up fine, just like that. And once we have our garlic all prepared, we've got some fresh parsley that we have thoroughly cleaned, and we're going to chop that up, put fine dice on that parsley as we make up our sauce for this tagliatelle with the white sauce. The parsley is a crucial element in the fact that it brings some flavor to the dish and also some color. So now that we've got that all chopped up, we've got our lobster cooked off, we now are showing you the bag of the tagliatelle that we're going to be using. I don't have them fresh. I didn't have the time to make the fresh, but we do have the lobsters. So taking the lobsters out, cooked thoroughly, 12 minutes. Perfect timing on that. There's 4 of those bad boys in there. Bag of lobsters. So you know it's going to be a good night, baby. Look at that. Fit for a king. Look at that. All nice and cooked up, and we'll get those all prepared. You're going to crack these lobsters up and take all the meat out of them. Take a knife, chop them up, get that lobster meat out there. We've already done the tails. Got a little problem here, but that's okay. Not cutting any fingers off, doing it all right. You get all that nice lobster meat there. We're going to cut that up a little bit better, but let's get ready to make this sauce up here. We put in about 1/5 of a stick of butter and some extra virgin olive oil. That's going to be the basis for our sauce. Get that on medium-high heat. Start melting that butter down. As that goes around and around, we're going to throw our garlic in there. Don't want to burn the garlic, give it a bad flavor. So make it a light golden brown. So we're going to move quickly on this. And we've got that butter going in there, the garlic. Oh my God, the smell coming off. This is amazing. Really smells good. Nothing like fried garlic. This really makes the kitchen smell wonderful. So once we have that butter's almost melted, now we're going to go in and get our parsley. Yes, there we go. Oops, we're putting in some white wine. I forgot about that. Anything drinkable will do. That's just some white wine, and that'll add to the sauce. Don't worry about the kiddies. The cooking process will boil off all the alcohol, guarantee you that. So you don't need to worry about that. Then we put the parsley in, of course. And we'll stir that around and cook the parsley or boil all that alcohol off. So all you non-drinkers out there, don't worry about that. If you don't like alcohol, just leave it completely out. It's not going to hurt anything. So now we got everything cooked down. Put a little bit of black pepper in there, just peas. Let's say a half tablespoon. And now bringing up about 4 quarts of water to a rapid boil. We're going to take our little nests of tagliatelle and put those in there, and we're going to cook those al dente for 8 minutes, according to the package directions. Once we have these fully cooked off, we're going to take them over to the kitchen sink, strain off the starch off of the tagliatelle, and make sure that we have all that starch off there. Have just the al dente pasta, and then we're going to return it back to our pot. And we're going to cook it for about another half minute. That'll warm the tagliatelle back up, and it'll fuse the lobster. and our beautiful white sauce all into one incredible creation that is suitable for a king. So now that we've done that, we're going to take some fresh lemon. That lemon, butter, olive oil, garlic, and parsley, and black pepper is to die for. I'm telling you, it's the sauce. I've tried making this dish with red sauce, and it just doesn't do it. It's got to be done this way. And if you do it just the way I'm showing you here, you just can't go wrong with this if you like lobster. And anybody that's done lobster, I don't even know where you didn't even get to this point in the video. But there it is. It's all stirred up. All the ingredients are used. The wife's plating it up. And we're going to put the pasta on first. And then what we'll do is we'll doll it up, going down deep where all that lobster and butter and everything good about this dish is. And we're going to crown this tagliatelle with a as I'm talking family size proportion, about a pound and a quarter of fresh. Wow. Oh my God, this is a meal fit for a king. It's tagliatelle. It's a wide pasta, a little bit wider than fettuccine, with the white lobster sauce. You got about 1.5 pounds of lobster meat in here with the butter, olive oil, garlic, parsley, black pepper. Let's give this delicious, scrumptious delight a taste and see if it really tastes as good as it looks. Winter Boy special, man. You'll step right into the Winter Boy circle if you make this dish. Give it a full 5, 10 stars. 10 stars. Whip this up, and you will certainly be dazed, glazed, and amazed. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that sub button. And as always, bon appetit.